The final type of selection is an ELIF statement, a combination of both the if and else statements. Using an ELIF allows you to create a chain of conditions as part of the same decision tree. Currently, in our example, we have two options, more than 10 coins and less than 10 coins. We now want to also output if we have exactly 10 coins. We can add this using an ELIF statement. Selection must always follow a specific layout rule. You must always start with a single if statement. You can then have multiple ELIF statements. An else statement must always go at the end of the decision tree. Following this rule, if I wanted to add in my ELIF statement, checking for exactly 10 coins, I need to add it between my if and else statement. First, we add in our ELIF. Then, we write out our condition. I'm checking against the variable coins, so I will write that out first. The operator I want to use is the is_equal_to operator, which in Python is 2 equals. Then, I will write my value I'm checking against, which is the integer 10. I finish my statement off with a colon. Below in the code block for this example, I want to print you have exactly 10 coins. If I change my coins variable to the value 10 and run my program, you can see our ELIF statement in action.